Okay, I will just go here. How are you all doing? Do you feel lucky because you are one of the few bubblies in the world to experience this? Hello everyone, and hello to everyone watching us worldwide. We are now being live streamed. Good afternoon everyone, or good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from around the world. Now I am delighted to welcome each and every one of you and introduce the View Original Series, How to Spot a Red Flag! Let's wave those red flags! Let's wave them! Beautiful. Now, How to Spot a Red Flag is a partnership project of ABS-CBN Studios and View, produced by Dreamscape Philippines, or Dreamscape Entertainment. Now, this story explores a love that begins under suspicious circumstances, starting with catfishing. Naka-experience na ba kayo ng catfishing? Hindi pa? Good for you. Yes. Pero pag na-experience nyo, it's good to know what you should do, di ba? Well, that is right. Red flag alert talaga ang catfishing. Now, our protagonist, Cha, a lively barista, connects with Matt online after a crypto scam. What time? 12 talaga, midnight. Gaano kayo ka-excited? Well, I'm sure panonoodin nyo pa ulit-ulit until the next episodes will be streaming na next week. But for now, you know, let's enjoy the first 2 episodes on View. Now, today, we will dive into all the intriguing details, hear firsthand from the cast, and even enjoy some direct interactions with the stars. And with that, are you ready to start the main event? We are so ready, and to everyone joining us live on the View Facebook account, hello once again to all of you, and happy Monday to each of you. Please do use our official hashtags for today. Hashtag HTSARFMediaCon, hashtag How to Spot a Red Flag, hashtag HTSARF, and hashtag Don Bell on View. Now, before we dive in, I'd like to take a moment to recognize the key individuals who have brought both this event and the series to life. Some of them are actually here with us. Nandun po sila sa taas. So if okay lang, can we give them a round of applause every time I say a new name? Okay. Thank you all so much for being here. We'd like to acknowledge the View Philippines Country Manager, Mr. Vinci C. Kia! I love the energy. Thank you, guys. We also have the View Philippines Head of Content, Miss Garlic Garcia. Where's Miss Garlic? Hi, Miss Gar. We also have the View Philippines Head of Channel Revenue Partnership, Sir Maui Tadeo. We also have View Philippines Head of Strategy and Yield Management, Mr. Anthony Dino. We have View Philippines Head of Subscriptions, Miss Julian Munoz. I love it. Sobrang cooperative ng bubblies. We also have the COO of ABS-CBN Corporation. Thank you very much, Miss Cory Vidanes. Thank you also to the head of Dreamscape Entertainment, Miss Kylie Manalo Balagtas. Thank you to the head of Dreamscape Entertainment as well, Mr. Rondel Lintayag. And ABS-CBN's Head of International Sales and Distribution, Miss Pia Laurel. Thank you very much for making How to Spot a Red Flag possible. Now, again, thank you all so much for joining us today. I will be staying here because we will be welcoming some very important people right now on stage. Now, we are so thrilled to have you here. So are you guys ready to get started? Looks like you're ready because you are pointing your cameras doon sa entrance. You know what's happening next. All right, let's give a big round of applause for the stars of our welcome, playing Mateo Inigo Flores or Matt, and Zarina Fontanilla or Cha, in short, Matcha. Please welcome Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano! Yes, they are here with us today! Our beloved Don Bel, our matcha couple, Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano! Welcome, Donnie and Bel. May we request all the bubblies to wave your red flags! Woo! Wave your fans also, your fans, your red flags. We want to see, hi! Hello. Careful ha, careful. Yes. Sabi ni Bel, ang taas. Siyempre, para kitang-kita tayo ng lahat ng bubblies. Welcome, Donnie and Bel.
Hello
Fresh
po.
na fresh, parang hindi na puyat kagabi.
Hello po!
Yes. Alright, sige. Let's greet everyone and thank them for being here. And not just them who are here, pati yung nanonood worldwide via our live stream. Go ahead.
Grabe, ang saya naman dito. Hindi namin alam ganito yung setup. Pagpasok namin kanina, nasan yung, yung press ko, yung MediaCon? Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. Baliktad po yung sign mo, hindi ko mabasa eh. Thank you guys for showing up. We are super, super excited that today, I think a lot of you napanood na yung episodes 1 or... Hindi ko, napanood nyo na ba? Kamusta naman? Maganda naman daw. Kami, ano? Ano sabi? Marupok si Cha. Marupok daw si Cha.
Uy, grabe. At some point naman, di ba, naging marupok tayong lahat? Grabe naman. But, hello po sa inyo. Thank you so much for being here and everyone watching us live right now. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, Donnie and Bel. And as Donnie said, ibang-iba nga yung setup today, di ba? Hindi siya yung usual na MediaCon, na may Q&A lang. Ito, may fan meet element involved. And speaking of fan meet, meron tayong activity na gagawin. We actually have a post-it wall na iaakyat dito. And they actually said yung questions nila, pinost nila dyan. Pero bago yan, mamimili muna tayo ng 2 lucky names because... Okay.
2 lucky names. Wow.
Kaya ba? Kaya ba, guys? Okay. Because yung bubunutin nilang names, ano sa tingin niyo yung gagawin? They will get a signed Polaroid photo ng Don Bel. Okay, so let's draw the 2 names, Donnie and Bel. Ayan na, yan yung makukuha yung Polaroid photos. My gosh! Sobrang sweet naman yan. Ano ba yan? On-cam ba yan? Off-cam? Ano na ba to? BTS?
Secret.
Parang...
Uy, rare yan
makakilig,
ha. Huwag niyong ibenta yan. O, pipili na tayo, Ting. Okay. Isa muna, or dalawa na?
Isa-isa.
Isa-isa muna. Okay, go. Mahiwagang bowl. Parang sa mix lang, Ate Ai. Meron na? Sure? Sure na yan?
Alright.
Ang una, feeling ko mahilig sa chismis to.
Ay, bakit?
Marites Cortez. Sino?
Ay, hello po!
Hello po, Mami! Panalo si Mami. Please join us here. Dito ba? Ay,
hindi
di ba?
naman,
Sorry.
hindi naman. Diyan na lang si
Congratulations sa Polaroid photo.
Ayaw natin pahirapan si Mami. Okay.
Thank you, Mami. Oh,
Congrats
congratulations.
po, Miss Marites! Again, you will get a signed Polaroid photo of Don Bel.
All right. And the second winner for the Polaroid photo is Michelle Barberan.
Ay, ayun na siya! Hi, Michelle!
Congratulations, Michelle.
Parang swerte yung mga letter M, ha? Marites,
Oo, Marites
Michelle.
and Michelle.
Oo. Now, alam ko gusto nyo rin manalo, don't worry because we also have 2 more lucky winners. Ito naman, aakyat na sa stage. Because you will get a photo with Don Bell! Alright, let's choose the 2 names. Good luck, guys! Good luck! Dapat erase nyo yung flags nyo! Manifest! Kayo yung mananalo!
Kulang ko letter M din to.
Tingnan natin.
Okay, ito naman. Nagsisimula sa letrang T.
Asan ang mga letter T ang pangalan nagsisimula? Meron ba?
Wala. Sure kayo? Kay Teresa Erenia. Oh.
Are you here? Teresa? Yes! Congrats! Okay, please proceed here. Tapos, bunutin na natin yung isa so they can also stand by.
Rona A. Villablanca.
Ha? Puro doon? Ay, ikaw ba yun? Ikaw
Rona,
talaga?
akyat na
Wow!
rin.
Ang swerte nyo nung side na to. Congratulations!
Congrats!
Okay, please proceed to this side of the stage. Andito po ang stairs. So again, they won a photo with Don Bell on stage! Congratulations! Halika na. Hello. You're Teresa, no? Congrats! Sige po, dun po tayo. Here is your moment with Don Bell. Okay po. Dito po rin po kayo mag-picture. Dito po. Tingin po tayo dito. Smile. Wow! Hindi lang pala sila mapipicturean with Don Bell. Masa-sandwich sila ng Don Bell. Congrats! And for our second winner. Hi, Sir MJ Felipe! May pa-insert si Sir MJ. Nasa concert din daw pala siya. Hi! Congratulations! Wow, may dala pa siyang mga rose. Okay. This is your moment with Don Bell. Okay. We will have a picture na. Alright, smile. Dito po sa kanan. Yes, smile. Up close and personal. Okay, kinakabahan ako sa'yo, kuya. Ingat po, okay, ingat po. There you go. Congratulations. Alright, now, alam kong naiinggit kayo. Naiinggit kayo doon. Gusto niyo rin ba ng picture with Don Bell? Alright, we will do a groovy with Don Bell. So, Donnie and Bell, kindly stand. And magkakaroon tayo ng parang 0.5 na selfie. Pero syempre, professional camera ang ating gagawin. So, sir, you may now proceed there. So, Donnie, baka pwede mong iganon. Ang cute nito. Oh, guys, raise your flags, raise your banners, yung mga headbands inyo. Everybody say, Don Bell! Everybody say, Bob Lees! Everybody say, how to spot a red flag! Yay! Thank you, guys! Maraming salamat.
May request ako.
Ano, Donnie?
Gusto ko lang how to spot a red flag, tapos now showing. Pwede ba?
Pagbibigyan pa natin si Donnie, syempre
Pwede ba?
naman!
O para sa stories ko to Okay, game. How to spot a red flag.
Magsisimula kay Bell? Wow! O guys, galingan nyo Lakasan natin ang boses.
How to spot a red flag.
Now showing daw, no?
Now, ano ba? Now airing? Now showing?
Now streaming.
Now streaming. Now streaming. Okay, game. Okay lang yan. Para personal. 3, 2, 1, go. How to spot a red flag?
Thank you, guys! Ang saya naman. Parang ang swerte-swerte talaga ng mga bubblies na nandito ngayon sa Fan Meet and MediaCon, no? And now, ito na yung sinasabi nating isa pang activity natin. Because yun nga, it's not just a media con. It's like a mini fan meet. So, we are going to proceed to this part. Donnie and Belle, alam kong nag-enjoy kayo dyan. Pero maistorbo ko lang kayo, no? Over here, we have our How to Spot a Red Flag post-it wall. They have messages and questions for you there. Choose 2 to 3, kayo bahala, and then you'll answer it. So, kunin nyo na yung 2 to 3 post-its, and then you'll answer here in your seats.
Okay.
Okay? So, okay,
Sure.
dito
Yeah,
po.
okay.
Go ahead. And
So-
while you choose, bababa na muna ako to speak to some of our bubblies who are here.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's-
nakapili ka na ba?
2 or 3, mga
2
ganun.
to 3, ganyan.
Hindi, 2 or 3.
Sige, habang pumipili sila, kasi alam niyo naman si Donnie O, si siya eh. Oh. So, gusto niya talaga best questions. Sorry na guys. Sino dito yung mga nakapanood na nung first episodes? Let's choose one. Hi po, ma'am. What's your name?
Chell,
Chell. Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa first episodes?
it was amazing and super exciting yung palabas nila. And nakaka-inlove talaga.
Nakaka-in-love. Eh, paano pa ngayon na nasa harap niyo na yung Don Bell?
Lalo,
Thank you po, Miss Chell. Sino pa ang may thoughts about how to spot a red flag? Okay, please. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Yel.
Yel, anong masasabi mo sa first episodes?
Oh my God, yung first episode, yung episode 1 and 2, super nakaka-in-love. Like, super excited ako sa love story ng Matcha.
Hey, Matcha! So, abangan po natin kung paano pa magde-develop ang story ng Matcha. Pero sa ngayon, tingnan na natin, ano ba yung mga napili ni na Donnie and Belle na questions na sasagutin? Go ahead.
Sorry pa. Ayan. Okay.
Hello.
Sino na?
Yes, you can go.
Okay. Ito. To Donvel, how do you handle red flag person? How do you handle a red flag person? From Keynotes. How do you handle?
How do you handle?
How do you handle? I think you have to be upfront. Alam mo naman, minsan tayo pa bebe. Pero, pag ganon, if alam mo nang medyo na sisira niya na kung anong pagkatao mo. Alam mo masasabi mong red flag yung isang tao kapag hindi ka comfortable eh. Comfortable sa ginagawa niya, comfortable sa paano ko ba sabihin to? Kung hindi ka nagiging comfortable kung sa pagkatao niya sa'yo or paano ka niya tratuhin, be honest with him or her. Wag na tayo magpabebe. Just say what you like and say what you don't like. And I think it would be a good help for them to reflect on what they do.
Yeah, agree. And I think very important yung mag-uusap muna kayong dalawa kung ano ba yung do's and don'ts niyong dalawa or non-negotiables, yung mga ganun. Para you guys are both on the same page. And also, kasi minsan, lalo na sa pag-ibig, madaling ma-blinded eh. 'Di ba? Kailangan may mga tao ding sa paligid nyo na nagsasabi ng, uy, Donnie, parang iba to or something na hindi nyo masyado nakikita at first. Pero yung pala red flag na. So, always be open-minded into thinking, yes, genuine and honesty is a big part in this. And just be true to what you feel as well. Yun. Oh, ako
Ano yung
naman.
sinabi mo? Ano, sa love, madaling ma-blind?
Oo, madaling ma-blind.
Na-colorblind ka na ba sa love, Donnie?
Ibang project na yan, ha?
Ay, iba na pala yun.
Tinanong mo na yan dati. To Donato and Belinda, what advice would you give Cha and Ma? Oh, mga ganyan. Cha
Ay,
and
naku,
Matt.
Cha.
By Yel. Uy, ikaw yun, Yel. Advice kay Cha. Ay, di kasi, first 2 episodes pa lang, tsaka yung ibang dito na nanonood ng live stream, di ko alam kung napanood na ninyo. So, walang spoilers.
Yes.
Pero advice ko kay Matt, just follow your gut feeling. And follow your
Ganda
heart.
ang sagot niya.
Follow your heart.
Kaya mo yan, Bel. Ang galing-galing mo sumagot. Eh.
Kasi naman siya, ano ba yan? Bakit siya? Ano ba yan? Hindi, pero, kailangan mo rin at some point matutong piliin yung sarili mo. So, kaya mo yan, Cha. Tapang-tapang mo eh.
Tsaka huwag
Kundi
ka mabudol
magaganunin
sa mga,
ka.
huwag ka mabudol sa mga scammer
Oo
dyan. Daming
naman.
scammer dyan eh.
Diba, be vigilant. Be extra vigilant. Yan.
Alright, thank you very much. Nauna pa kayo sa press na magtanong, guys. So, di ba? Gusto niyo yun? Ganon kahalaga ang bubbly sa Don Bell at sa View. So, thank you very much for answering those questions, Donnie and Belle. And to our dear fans who are here, please settle in because the fun is just about to start.